The file upload control is the only way for a user to transfer a file to a web application using an unmodified web browser. You've encountered the file upload control a few times previously, but you'll take a closer look at it in this lesson. To begin, open the Textland project from your sample files folder. And open xml.aspx in Design View. In this lesson, you'll add a file upload control to this page to enable the user to upload a file. You'll use this page later in the course to read data from XML files in Lesson 9-10. This is the only reason that XML is mentioned in this lesson. Now add a file upload control to the page. You'll find the file upload control in the standard category of the toolbox. Now set the ID property of the new control to FileUpload XML. Next, add a button control to the page just after the file upload control. While the file upload control allows the user to select a local file, it doesn't offer a way to send the file to the web server. You will need a button control to submit the file. When the button control is clicked, the file that the user has selected will be sent to the web server as part of the user's request. Now set the ID property of your new button control to button upload XML and set the text property to upload XML. Now add a click event handler to the button upload XML control. You can do this quickly by simply double-clicking the Upload XML button in Design View. You're now going to add code to the button upload XML click event handler to check whether a file has been selected. Add the following code: if FileUpload XML .hasFile. The hasFile property of the file upload control will be true if the user has selected a file to upload. You're now going to add some code to retrieve the uploaded file's binary data. Add the following code inside the if statement: byte file bytes equals FileUpload XML dot file bytes. And finally, you'll add some code to save the file onto the web server. Add the following code on the next line: string file name equals FileUpload XML dot file name. String save path equals server dot map path tilde plus file name system.io.file.write all bytes save path file bytes. The file name property of the file upload control contains the name of the uploaded file. The server.mapPath method converts a relative path into a physical path. The tilde indicates the root folder of your web application. The server.mapPath method converts this to something like C, Practice, ASP.NET Expert, Sample Projects, Textland. In this lesson, you're using the system.io.file.writeAllBytes method to write a file to the web server's hard drive. It's important to note that this will only work if your web application has permission to do this. Many third-party web hosts do not allow web applications to make changes to the web server's hard drive. Of course, this is never an issue when you have full control of your own dedicated web server. Now let's test your code. View xml.aspx in your web browser. Now click Browse and navigate to your sample files folder. Select mailmodule.xml and click Open. Now click Upload XML. Nothing appears to happen, but the file was successfully uploaded and written to the Textland folder. Note that when you upload files to a web application, an indicator often appears to show the user that the file upload is in progress. This can be done in exactly the same way as you did in Lesson 3.8. Now close your web browser and, using Windows Explorer, navigate to the Textland folder in your Sample Files folder. Now open the Textland subfolder and you can see that mailmodule.xml has appeared in this folder. Your code saved the file successfully. Note that the file upload control is only capable of uploading a single file. This presents a problem when you want to upload more than one. The only solution to this problem is to create more file upload controls. It's possible to use JavaScript to add as many file upload controls as are needed, and then submit them all by clicking a single button control. You'll learn how to do this in Lesson 11.11. Even with this technique, the file upload control is not an ideal way to upload large numbers of files. The file upload control, which creates an input file HTML element, is the only way to upload files using pure HTML. But files can also be uploaded using browser plugins and applets. Java, Flash, and Silverlight are all capable of bulk file uploading, but your users must have the relevant plugin installed in order for them to work. Close Visual Studio now, and you've now completed Lesson 6.3. Use the file upload control.